Hi everyone. Well, before we talk about our forecast for Thanksgiving this year, let's take a look back at Thanksgiving weather history in southern Wisconsin and talk about our most extreme Thanksgivings. And for that, we'll take a look at our two climate sites in southern Wisconsin in Madison and Milwaukee. And we'll start with Madison. The warmest Thanksgiving was back in 1914 when it hit 64 degrees. And that's really different from the coldest Thanksgiving in 1872. We started the day at -5 in Madison. The rainiest Thanksgiving was actually just 7 years ago in 2015, 1.19 inches of rain coming down that day. And the snowiest Thanksgiving in Madison, that was 1947 with 3.5 inches of snow. Now let's talk about Milwaukee. The warmest Thanksgiving was also in 1914. It hit 65 in Milwaukee that day. The coldest Thanksgiving was in 1950, hitting -4. Also, the rainiest Thanksgiving in 2015, 1.55 inches of rain. And remarkably, also like Madison, the snowiest Thanksgiving was 1947, and the two snowfall amounts were identical in Madison and Milwaukee that day. Milwaukee also picked up 3.5 inches of snow Thanksgiving Day, 1947. So, are any of these records in jeopardy this year? No. As far as comparing it to a normal Thanksgiving, it does look like it's going to be a little bit warmer than normal. Typically, we should be seeing high temperatures in the mid-40s for Thanksgiving Day, and this year it looks like the average high in southern Wisconsin is going to be 48 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. It does look dry during the morning hours, but we're actually getting a cold front in the afternoon, so there is a rain chance, but this doesn't look like a big rainmaker, this cold front. So we're just calling for isolated showers in the afternoon, and that's why I don't have the rain icon in there. I'm specifically putting that mostly cloudy icon in there instead of the rain icon because I do think more are going to stay dry than see rain, but I do need to mention the chance for isolated showers during the afternoon. This is also going to be a front where it's not going to get real windy along the front. There's really actually not going to be much wind Thanksgiving Day. Winds probably no more than 10 miles per hour. I do think the winds might pick up a little bit for Thursday night, but just a light breeze, gusts around 15 miles per hour. And I still think there are going to be some leftover showers during the evening hours. Still a few around, especially in the eastern part of the area. So places like Racine, Kenosha are going to have a better chance of seeing some leftover showers on the back side of the front than places farther to the west. And then we'll start mostly cloudy. Eventually, skies will become partly cloudy. And eventually, we'll cool down for an average low in southern Wisconsin of 32. And with that light breeze, the feels like temperatures will probably be in the upper 20s. So that's what you should dress for if you're going to be out standing any Black Friday lines very late Thursday night.